Alright, so in about 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, in about 8 minutes, we're gonna get some EAS here. Let's see. We're gonna get to EAS number 79930, EAS number 430, and some of you may be wondering why. The reason why is because the state of Indiana is conducting their annual tornado drill for statewide. So we got multiple Indiana stations here, or stations that serve Indiana. We got KH-42, Covington, Kentucky / Cincinnati, Ohio. KEC-74, Indianapolis. You may recognize that from the Chicago trip. KH-52, Richmond. You may also recognize that from the Chicago trip. And WXJ-57, South Bend. So we have 4 radio stations here that are ready to broadcast the Indiana tornado drill. Some people may be wondering why there's an Ohio station here, because KH-42 also serves some counties in Indiana. So yep. Alright, so now all we really have to do is wait. So here's, I think I have all the Indiana stations, right? Yeah, Indianapolis, Richmond, South Bend. I have all the Indiana stations. And then I have some Ohio stations here. Should I do 1239? Is that even here anymore? Nah, okay. Some KZZ-81 may also serve Indiana from Lockport, but alright, let's see here. Okay, alright. So now we just have to wait, and then it's scheduled for, if I can focus, it's scheduled for 10:15 a.m. today. Let me make sure. Indiana still trouble. Indiana residents, tornado sirens. Yeah, so 10:15 a.m. is when we're going to hear this tornado drill. So you can kind of hear all the radio stations in here. So, and let's just wait. I'll be back at 10:14, 30 seconds, I guess. I was also going to try to do some DXing to see if I can get some Indiana stations, because sometimes I can, but unfortunately all the trope was down south, so womp womp. So now I have to resort to this. Yep, okay. Alright, 10:14. So now we're going to see if we can get some. So I introduced the public information statement here for that tornado when I have about 30 seconds, and then we should see ILN and IND right up here. In the mid-50s, wind 5 to 10 miles an hour for Sunday night. Chance of rain partly cloudy. 8, 7, 6, 5, focus, 4, 3, 2, 1, Roger, focus. Alright, let's wait. Let's start to hear some things later. Where's that?
Normal lows are around 35.
This one too.
The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is between 0.65 and 0.90 inches.
KC-74
at 10 a.m. at Indianapolis, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 2.35 and relative humidity 54%. Severe weather to wind with southwest at 12 miles an hour. Warning is better. The weather pressure was 30.04 inches. It's part of the around central Indiana. It was sunny. This was officially one day Wednesday. It was in Eagle Creek Airport in Securityville. The National Weather Square across Indiana. The skies lay sunny to mostly sunny. You think about where 49 of the weather station Fort Wayne tornado. Think about where you would go. This is also recorded in the actual Indiana tornado. This warning has the 2024 Indiana tornado warning mostly sunny. With a temperature of 49 at Champaign, we now want our normal 49 at Cincinnati, and 52 at Louisville. Here's the official National Weather Service forecast sunny with a temperature of 57, Indiana, and portions of Miami will cloudy with a temperature of 52. Spotter information. Once again, at Indianapolis, it was 51 degrees with partly sunny skies. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the initial waters of southeastern Lake Michigan for today and tonight. Please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.gov on the internet for more information about the following hazards. Small craft advisory. There is a chance for thunderstorms late tonight. And now the extended outlook for the period. This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued this is a test message. This is a test tornado warning for all counties in central Indiana. This is a test message. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a test message statement. At 10:13 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is only a drill. Now here, this drill is part of Tornado and Severe Weather Awareness Week. Mostly sunny. Treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your emergency plans. Because of this test tornado warning, the normal Weather Radio weekly test scheduled on Wednesdays will not take place this week. Expected hazards include no severe weather was occurring or expected. Source: this is a test. The following impacts are expected. In a real tornado, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. This message, even well-built homes may suffer significant damage. National Weather Service in North Indiana has issued this is a test message. Tornado warning locations impacted include all of central Indiana. This is a test message. This is a test message. 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight. Take this time to practice your tornado preparedness plan. This is a test message. No severe weather is occurring. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana's Severe Weather Preparedness Week. If this were an actual warning, you would be given information about the location and path of the storm and safe actions to take. This is a test message. At this time, please review your tornado preparedness plans. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blackford, DeKalb,
every single county in
Fulton,
Indiana
Grant,
now?
Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, LaGrange, Marshall, Miami,
Every
Noble,
single county in
Glasgow,
Indiana.
St. Joseph, Stark,
Unless this is
Savannah,
just stuff.
Wabash, Wells, and Whitley.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's just stuff. Okay. I thought they were gonna say every single county in Indiana.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station double.
Alright, well, Indiana tornado drill complete. 430. Yes, it's great. Okay. So, some of you may be wondering if you got the Indiana tornado drill. When's the Ohio tornado drill gonna happen? The Ohio tornado drill is gonna happen on Wednesday, March 20th, 9:50 a.m. I'll make sure to get that on the security camera. So tomorrow will be a week away from that. Alright guys, bye.